Do you have doubts and fears? And maybe you are overthinking, you are over-strategizing. That is why you cannot even start anything at all. Or maybe you are working really hard, you are trying really hard, you are doing your best, but you still can't achieve your goals and dreams. Or maybe you are already achieving your goals. Maybe you are creating results, pero nawawala, bumabagsak, paulit-ulit. And that is why you feel stuck. So in this video, we will talk about the real reason why you are stuck. So alam niyo ba guys, I learned this the hard way. I started my business when I was 16. I became a millionaire at the age of 19. I'm earning multi-millions at the age of 21. Invested in real estate, started my own company when I was 26. And I thought, alam ko na kung paano gumawa ng pera. And that's actually true. I know how to create systems that will generate more money. I know how to generate sales. Build a leadership structure that will sell products and services. So basically, puro pera, puro pagbebenta. But at the peak of my career, sobrang laki ng income ko, but I was lost. I was betrayed. I made a series of mistakes and I lost more than 20 million in the process. I lost my confidence, my self-worth, my hair, and I lost myself. And I almost gave up. Nung moment na yun, muntik ko lang tapusin yung buhay ko. And of course, during my darkest moments, I prayed and I looked for a mentor. That's when I found Jim Rohn and Tony Robbins. I invested all my money in personal development just to realize and understand that I have to love myself. Yes, the main reason why you are stuck is because you probably don't love yourself. Let me illustrate for you. It's self-love. Because the best love story is when you fall in love with yourself. Now think about it. If you don't love yourself, eventually you're not gonna take care of yourself. And there's a huge chance na hindi mo rin kilala yung sarili mo, kaya hindi mo maalagaan ang sarili mo. Maybe you don't know what you want, you don't know what to do. So eventually, if you don't love yourself, you're gonna make tons of mistakes. And of course, even if you know what you want, you may seem to think that you don't deserve what you want. If you don't love yourself, if you don't appreciate who you are, it will feel like you don't deserve success. You don't deserve money. You don't deserve to achieve your goals and dreams. Yun yung pakiramdam. We are not worthy to achieve what we want. And because of that, we will delay. We will delay decisions. We will procrastinate. And the worst is, we will self-sabotage. That when we are presented with opportunities, tatanggihan natin. Because if you don't love yourself, you won't feel secured. If you're not secured, you will have a lot of fear. A lot of doubts. And because of this, you may develop anger, hate, resentment. And this is the self-sabotage cycle. And when you look at this is probably your life right now. The main reason why hindi mo masimulan yung mga dapat mong simulan, hindi mo magawa yung alam mong dapat mong gawin, dahil dito. Dahil hindi mo mahal yung sarili mo. Dahil hindi ka committed ma-achieve yung goals mo para sa sarili mo. Kasi nga hindi ka willing ibigay yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo. Kasi nga again, feeling natin hindi natin deserve. Feeling natin hindi siya pwede sa atin. And this is also the reason why wala tayong ma-achieve. Because we tend to sabotage our own success na kapag ayan na, bumibitaw tayo. Kapag malapit na nating makuha, tumutupi tayo. And the worst part is, may nakuha ka ng goals. May evidence ka na nakaya mo. May mga pangarap ka before na nakuha mo na ngayon. But you fail to appreciate those things. You fail to appreciate your achievement. You fail to appreciate what you have right now. Kaya siya nawawala sa'yo. Eh bakit ba hindi mo ma-appreciate yung mga bagay na meron ka? Kasi nga, hindi mo na-appreciate yung sarili mo. Kasi nga, hindi mo mahal yung sarili mo. So kahit anong bagay yung ibigay sa'yo, kahit gano'ng karaming pera yung makuha mo, kahit makuha mo exactly yung car na gusto mo, if you are not loving yourself, if you don't appreciate yourself, if you don't appreciate who you are, You won't appreciate the external factors in your life. Meaning, we will lose a lot of things. We will lose the goals. We will lose our achievements. And the worst is, we will lose the people that loved us. Kasi marami naman talagang nagmamahal sa atin. And there's a huge chance that there are people who are loving you with all of their hearts. Kaya lang, there's a huge chance na because of the lack of self-love, because hindi natin mahal yung sarili natin, nire-reject natin yung pagmamahal ng ibang tao. At kaya ka-reject natin sa pagmamahal nila, kusa na lang silang umaalis. Ang problema, pag umalis sila, feeling natin iniwan tayo. But in reality, tayo yung nagtaboy sa kanila. So the bigger question now is, how do we love ourselves? How do we build self-love? And the answer to that is investing in yourself. This is the best thing you can do for you. This is the pinnacle of self-love. Pag willing ka ng gumastos ng pera, ng time, ng effort, to intentionally love yourself, develop yourself. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin. We will talk about the 3 levels of self-investment. And level 1 is investing in things. Because when you invest in things, you will discover na mahilig ka pala sa mga bagay-bagay. So sa mga lalaki, this can be shoes, shirts, polo shirts, jackets, caps, watches, cars, toys for the big boys. So ito yung mga bagay na pwede nating bilhin para sa sarili natin. Right? And the idea here is, nung bata tayo, of course, lahat naman tayo kapag may celebration, gusto nating makareceive ng tinatawag na gift, di ba? Gusto nating makareceive ng tinatawag na regalo. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, the highest form of self-love is self-investment. It's because ikaw mismo, willingly, binibigay mo sa sarili mo yung regalo. Hindi ka na naghihintay. You are not waiting anymore. So pag ikaw mismo, ginastosan mo yung sarili mo, ang ibig sabihin nun, alam mo sa sarili mong deserve mo. Kasi ikaw mismo naglabas ka ng pera for yourself. Because let's be real, most of you guys, willing kayong gumastos para sa birthday ng ibang tao, para sa birthday ng mahal mo sa buhay. Willing kang gumastos, mag-effort, maglaan ng time para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Minsan nga kahit para sa kaibigan mo, you will go beyond. Gagawa ka talaga ng paraan para maiparamdam sa friend mo na deserve niya ng magandang regalo, na deserve niya ng magandang celebration. But the thing is, you are not doing that for you. This is you giving gifts to yourself. This is you healing your inner child na yung mga bagay na hindi mo nakuha nung bata ka. Yung mga bagay na gustong-gusto mo dati pero hindi mo mabili kasi wala ka pang pera. Maybe you were helpless. Maybe you can't afford it, but now, maybe you can afford it. Or maybe you can work hard to afford it. So this can be the things. And I respect you. There's no standard in what you want. If you want like caps, for example, mahilig ka talaga sa cap. Or mahilig ka sa shoes. Like sneakers. Or in my case, I love loafers. I love the Loro Pianas, summer walks. It's all up to you. Kanya-kanyang trip tayo. Kung mahilig ka sa Crocs, bahala ka. Ako, I hate Crocs. But again, it's all up to you. It's all about acknowledging what you want for yourself, okay? This can be shirts, In my case, I love bespoke. Okay? Pag bumibili po ako ng damit, majority ng suot ko, it's tailored for me. But for you, maybe you want the big brands, you want the logos, whatever makes you happy. And the idea is, investing in things will make you realize what you really want. Dito mo madidiscover ano talaga yung gusto mo. Pag nakikita mo yung sarili mo, sa salamin, nasuot mo na. Or pag nakikita mo na yung collection mo. This can be toys, like Gundams. Ako, I have a Gundam collection. I have a Lego collection myself. No? This can be watches. This can be cars. Oh my God, cars. I love cars. Sa mga girls natin dyan, it can be bags, For the shoes, the stilettos, the wedges, right? Or maybe you like loafers as well. Jackets, jackets. Suits. You want a gaming setup? Whatever you want. The idea here is acknowledging what you want. Sir MJ, paano ko malalaman yung gusto ko? Number 1 is try. If you are in a community, pinakamaganda, mag-join ka sa isang community. Okay? And in any community, kahit pare-parehas yan negosyante, magkakaiba yan ng trip. Try to discover it. Check mo yung collection niya. Check mo yung sapatos niya. Check mo yung suot niya. Pag nainggit ka, isa lang ibig sabihin yan, gusto mo yon. May mga bagay na meron siya na gusto mo rin. Remember that your emotions can be your compass. Ikaw ang kompas pag naliligaw. So, pag may nakita ang kapwa mo, lalaki o babae, may bagay na kakaiba sa kanila. Tapos medyo nainggit ka. Isa lang ibig sabihin yan, yung mga bagay na meron siya, gusto mo yon. So, alamin mo. That's 1. Number thing is just invest in yourself, you know? Pag may pera ka, mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. I remember, way back na nag-start ako magnegosyo. Siyempre, bilang lalaki, pag hindi ka kagwapuhan, pag hindi ka pogi, kagaya ko, ang iisipin mo, paano ka poporma? Right? Pag hindi ka pogi, kailangan magaling ka pumorme. Kailangan magaling ka magdala ng damit, diba? Kailangan kaya mong dalhin yung sarili mo. You have to be confident. I love investing in clothing. So, nung nagsisimula ako, syempre, plain t-shirts and stuff like that. Pero nung nakakapera na, for example, every week, kumikita ako ng 20,000 to 30,000, I will invest 10 to 20% of my income. So, kung may 20,000 ako, 4,000 pesos. So, pag nagtitipid ako, pamasahe ko yung papuntang Siang from Laguna, or magdadala ako ng kotse, pang toll gate ko na rin sa Apang Gasolina, and then punta ako ng Zara, bibili ako ng isang damit, isang pantalon, or isang jacket. And every week, I'm investing. Nung tumataas yung income ko, nag-upgrade din ako. Naging Massimo Dutti, naging Lacoste. Hanggang sa nang dumami yung pera, naging Bespoke. And I fell in love with it. So basically, the things that you want, the level 1 self-investment will evolve through time. Depende sa afford mo, depende sa kaya ng budget mo, at depende sa totoong gusto mo. Meron ka mga bagay na pipiliin. Sige na nga, drawing ko na lang para sa inyo. Let's put choices here. So, una, meron kang pipiliin kasi meron kang gustong patunayan sa ibang tao. Right? That's coming from ego. Meron kang gustong patunayan. Gusto mong magmukhang magaling. Gusto mong magmukhang pogi. You wanna look good. You wanna look smart. Or maybe you wanna please people. Okay? Meron kang bibiling damit, or sapatos, or jacket, or cap, kasi yun yung uso. Or maybe you wanna belong to a certain community, yun kasi yung suot nila lagi. So kung napasama ka sa kupunan ng mga hip-hop, syempre hip-hop din yung pormahan mo, diba? Because you wanna please them. You wanna be part, you wanna belong. Okay? There's a fear of missing out here. Na parang pag hindi mo siya nabili, parang hindi ka belong doon sa tribe na yon. And kung babalik tayo sa ego, ito yung mga bumibili ka kasi you wanna look rich, gusto mo mukha kang mayaman, or gusto mong magyabang, meron kang gustong patunayan. Ito yon. O kaya naman, you are coming from lack. No? May mga bagay kang gustong gusto pero hindi mo mabili, so nagtitipid ka. So lahat ng binibili mo, tipid. Nakamaskara siya na practical. Pero in reality, meron ka talagang gusto for yourself. You're just lying to yourself, you know? It's still not self-love. Kasi tinitipid mo sarili mo eh. Wala namang masamang magtipid. Walang masama sa delayed gratification. Pero may pagkakataon naman na pwede mo namang ibigay sa sarili mo. At baka lalo kang ganahang magtrabaho at maghanap buhay kung ibibigay mo sa sarili yung gusto mo. And there's what we call the true choice. Something that you really want for yourself. And this represents self-love. Yung tipong wala ka ng gustong patunayan. You know, binibili mo siya kasi gusto mo siya for you. Not to prove anything to other people, not coming from lack, or not coming from trying to please people. Because you are trying to please you. Ikaw yung gusto mong mapasaya. So that's what you want in terms of deciding around the things that you want. So level 1 and level 2 as well. This is applicable. Which is experiences. Ito na yung travel. Ito na yung mga self-love services. So normally, Ito yung ginagawa ng mga girls, no? Yung nagpapakulay ng buhok, like hair, or spa, or nails, you know. And the idea is, tayong mga lalaki, meron din ganito, no? Kasi kahit kagaya ko, kalbo, no? Nag-i-invest pa rin ako sa hair. Kasi ang gusto ko yung hindi masasayang yung time ko. Ang gusto ko yung barbero na kilalang kilala ko. I still want a good experience kahit kalbo lang yung gupit ko. Okay? So you can still invest in experiences. This can be the bonding moments with family. So food, cinema, nood kayo ng sine with the team. Actually, ginagawa namin to ng media team, no? Kasi mahilig sila sa movies, mahilig sila sa Avengers, mahilig sila sa anime. You know, we love sharing moments together, no? Pwedeng no? Pwedeng like resort experience. Pwedeng sports, no? Yeah, sports. So for the men, we play basketball, we play billiards. Some of the team, they play chess and stuff like that. Tapos pwede ring bowling, maraming activities. Basically, activities, no? Sa mga mayayaman, no? Golf, ayan. And so on. So the experiences, normally, it's more on money and time. It's more on your heart na pumupunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar. You are trying to experience new things, no? Most of this, walang invest na bagay. Maliban na lang, if you're playing a sport, of course, may mga tools kang bibilhin. May mga requirement po yan. Diba? For example, self-love mo rin yung pag-gym, no? Workout. Siyempre, bibili ka ng gym gears mo. Bibili ka ng sapatos sa golf. Bibili ka ng golf club, golf membership. So, magastos yan. There are things here na may involve na bagay. That is why it's level 2. And this is level 2 kasi this is something na hindi mo pwedeng ibenta. Hindi mo naman maibebenta yung beach experience, yung travel experiences mo, di ba? Hindi mo naman maibebenta yung kulot mong buhok after mo magpakulot, di ba? It's your own experience. That's why it's level 2. Kasi yung level 1, bumili ka ng relo, pwede mong ibenta yun eh. But the thing is, level 2 is talagang gastos to. Talagang maglalaan ka ng time. Mas malaking time yung inilalaan mo, and sometimes mas malaking gastos yung pwede. Na hindi na siya babalik in a form of money. Babalik siya in a form of experience. Learning something new. Being present in the moment. And there are things in level 1 that can also be level 2. Like for example, magpapatahi ka ng suit. If it's a bespoke suit, it's an entirely different experience. So bumibili ka ng bagay pero may experience siya. At hindi mo siya pwedeng ibenta kasi yung suit na yun, pinatahi para sa'yo. Right? It's well fitted just for you. Hulma ng katawan mo yon. If we're talking about real bespoke suits, just like what I'm wearing during events. If you are buying things, if you are buying really expensive watches, purchasing it is also another experience. Iba-iba yung pagbili. May pakape sila, may pa-sparkling water, i-explain sa'yo yung horology, yung history, may mga cards pa yan, may unboxing experience, naka-gloves pa yun, nag-a-assist tayo. I remember, after umatan ng Tony Robbins sa Florida, we went to LA to visit my relatives there. And then pumunta ako ng Beverly Hills to visit Loro Piana. Kasi most of my suits, around 20 plus suits, lahat ng fabric nun, Loro Piana. But at some point, I want to experience the RTW version of Loro Pianas. So, umorder ako ng summer walks, tumingin ako ng jacket, ng long sleeves, and grabe rin talaga yung experience. As in, grabe. After purchasing, nandun ako sa taas, sa VIP room, checking more stuff, more expensive stuff, naka-sparkling water ulit. So, ibig sabihin, level 1 and level 2 can be connected. And you have to understand that you don't have to invest too much, okay? Because again, you are not coming from ego, you are coming from your true choice. Make sure na you don't over-invest. Mag-i-invest ka sa bagay na afford mo. So level 2 is experience. And it can be a combination of things and experience as well. Now let's move on to level 3, which is growth. This is the highest level of investment. Kasi nag-i-invest ka na, hindi sa bagay na pwede mong ibenta, hindi sa experience na magiging masaya ka at mag-i-enjoy ka. Because growth means you are investing money, time, and effort, okay? Kasi para mag-benefit ka sa growth mo, kailangan mo mag-effort. For example, if you invest in books, Yes, it's cheaper, but it will take more time for you to understand, and it will take a lot of time for you to execute. It will take a lot of effort for you to try kung effective ba yung nabasa mo at applicable ba yung sa buhay mo. You can invest in seminars. And the idea is, kailangan mong humanap ng mentor na pasok sa budget mo, and more importantly, pasok sa core values mo. Nagmamatch sa goals mo. Mentor na kaya ka talagang tulungan. Okay? You can invest in workshops. You can invest in courses. Paid webinars. Coaching. Mentoring, and communities. Now, you have to understand, guys, bilugan ko lang yan, isa-isa. The best investment is investing in yourself. Maganda mag-invest sa stock market. Okay lahat yan. Pero kahit saan mo paikot-ikutin, pwedeng mag-crash yan lahat. Because of calamities, pwedeng maapektuhan yung real estate mo. Because of the marketplace, which is really, really weird right now dahil sa mga pangyayari. Nakikita naman natin yan sa social media, yung stock market nagbabago. Yung value ng gold nagbabago yan. At yung gold pwedeng manakaw sa'yo yan. Yung relo mo pwedeng manakaw sa'yo yan. Pero yung skills, yung personal development, yung madedevelop sa'yo as a person, walang kahit na sinong pwedeng magnakaw niyan sa'yo. And the idea is, the more that you use the skills, the more that you apply all the learnings, the more that you execute, the more na tumataas yung value mo as a person. Tumataas yung value ng investment mo, the more na ginagamit mo siya through time. Hindi siya taxable. Hindi pwedeng kaltasan yung personal development mo. Sa'yo lang yan. At kahit anong struggles yung dumating, your character, your personal development, ang sasandalan mo. That is why it's the highest level of self-investment. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao willing mag-invest sa sarili nila. Hindi lahat ng tao kayang bumangon agad pagdating ng problema, pagdating ng challenges, pagdating ng struggles. Hindi lahat ng tao willing mag-invest sa sarili nila, kaya kahit yung iba may pera na, insecure pa rin eh. Sama pa rin ang ugali. Hateful pa rin, lagi pa rin galit. Hindi pa rin maganda yung influence nila sa mga tao. Hindi pa rin maganda yung level ng leadership nila. Kasi nga insecure sila. And if that's you, there's a huge chance na maubos lahat ng meron ka. Ang akin, dadating at dadating din naman yung time na pag naubos yung pera mo, kapag nawala yung success sa'yo, kapag binawi sa'yo lahat ng yan, mag-i-invest ka rin sa sarili mo. Maghahanap ka rin naman ng mentor. A-attend ka rin naman ng seminars. Ang akin, bakit kailangan mo pang hintayin na bumagsak ka? Bakit kailangan mo pang hintayin na maubos yung team mo? Bakit kailangan mo pang hintayin na mawala lahat sa'yo at masira yung mga meaningful relationship sa buhay mo? Kung pwede namang mag-invest ka na lang sa sarili mo. Again, if you want quality, real growth, real breakthroughs, real transformation from a real mentor, you really have to invest in yourself. Just like Ultimate Mastery. In our Ultimate Mastery community, we are creating massive change. We're creating massive results. Mismong students na yung nagsasabi. Mismong mga tao na sa community yung nagsashare ng wins nila. Guys, tandaan nyo, results won't lie. And we are creating massive results, massive transformation, massive breakthroughs. Imagine, Team Martinez na lang, nasa 1 billion plus sales na sila. At hindi pa tapos ang taon. We are on our way to produce 1.5 billion sales, and next year, there's a huge chance that we will produce 5 to 10 billion sales. Because of the systems I'm creating for them in Ultimate Mastery. Same with Rank Fortress, William Jones. He is creating massive results, helping people. Cindy Villanueva, she is now the leading supplier of HoloBlocks machine. They are all students of Ultimate Mastery. And guys, I'm not just talking about financial success. I'm talking about loving themselves even more. Building meaningful relationships with their team, with their company, with the people around them, with the people that they love. Improving their health, understanding their purpose. Guys, we're talking about overall success. Hindi lang usapang pera. So, ibig sabihin, if you find the right mentor, seminars, workshops, communities, mentoring, coaching, webinars, courses, and books. If you find all of this, yung tama, yung sakto para sa'yo, you will become more and more successful. So the good news is, as you love yourself, you will become more. If you become more, you can do more and achieve more. And the idea is, lahat ng to, pinoprovide natin sa Ultimate Mastery. And if you're watching this video, we have exclusive offers just for you. So Ultimate Mastery is all of our courses packed, bundled together, and you will get 1 year access. But if you will enroll now in Ultimate Mastery, you will unlock even yung mga courses na hindi pa tapos, which means that you get massive discounts. Instead of paying 90 to 120,000 pesos for 1 year access to all of this, mastermind sessions, coaching, courses, workbooks, you only have to pay 40 to 50%. Plus, your access will end December 2026, meaning meron kang bonus na ilang months. And mind you, sa Sales Mastery, pwede mo na siyang ituring na Business Mastery because we have live documentations kung paano ko tinulungan ang Team Martinez, Rank Fortress, and other students that I have. We are talking about live documentation of me creating their systems. So una, you will get all the courses, okay? And it's online courses. You can watch anytime you want, whenever you want, however you want. You will get workbooks. You can download it, print it yourself. You can attend live in person or you can attend the live streaming. So kahit nasa ang bansa kayo, pwede because what we do is we are investing in tools to make our mastermind sessions really immersive. And of course, we have the best community. Grabe yung culture, grabe yung support sa isa't isa. And yes, sumasagot po ako sa mga questions sa community. You will also get all the recordings of the webinars, all the recordings of the power talks. You get meditation tools, priming tools, and more importantly, all the recordings of the past masterminds. Yes, yung mga masterminds natin, when we started, lahat yan recorded. And you will get access to that. So the highest level of investment is investing in Ultimate Mastery. Investing in your growth. Investing in MJ Lopez Success Systems. So yun lang guys, this is the end of the video, and always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon.